Hi everyone, this is Saurabh Maurya and welcome to Lingualite Capital. Dear friends, in this lecture, I will discuss one of the important term of linguistics, especially from the phonology, which is known as the writing system. So, in this lecture, I will discuss not only the writing systems but also the types of the writing systems and some key points that comes inside the writing system. So, what is writing system? A writing system is also called a script or orthography. Orthography means a set of the rules. A set of rules is a method of visually representing language through graphic symbols known as graphemes. Graphic symbols means the symbol that you use to express yourself in the sense whatever the points do you have or whatever the matters do you want to express, if you write the same matter in a symbolic, in the graphic symbols, then that is known to be the writing systems. And the way, I mean, the symbols that you write, that is, suppose that if you write the graphic symbols or script, if you write, then this is known as a text. We give a term to this word is a text, means this is a text, this is a text, I mean this all are the text. So here we have the another definition, another terms also, that a text is the individual product of a writing system. Okay, so here we have the another term that is known as the text. So the definition of text will be the a text is the individual product of a writing system. Here we can see writing systems are primarily classified by the linguistics unit and their symbols, which is represented such as the sounds, syllables, or units of a or meaning of morphemes. Okay, now we just come to the types of the writing systems. Here are some types of the writing systems, and the first one is known as the logographic. What is the logographic? This is also known as the logography. In the logographic writing systems, visual symbols are employed to represent a morpheme or word. Visual symbols means if you write a word, here we can see symbols that represents unit of a meaning. Means if I mean in the logographic writing systems, visual symbols are employed to represent a morpheme or word. And one more important point is that there is no any pure logographic. There is no natural language which is there is no natural language which is pure logographic. Okay, somehow we have the Chinese characters, that is Kane and Haji. This is the logographic, this I mean is said to be the logographic, but this is not the pure natural language. I mean this is not, I mean there is no any such a natural language which is pure logographic. Okay, we have another example, Japanese kanji and the ancient Egyptians hieroglyphs. Next, we have the another types which is known as the salivary or the syllabic. What is salivary or syllabic? Syllabic in the sense syllable means symbols that represent the entire syllables. A symbol that represent entire syllables. What is syllables? A syllables usually are consonant which followed by a vowel or morage. Here we have the important term which is known as the morage. Here we will discuss this topic in some more details. When we come to the syllables, okay, so here a syllable is a unit of a pronunciation containing a vowel. Means here we can say that symbols that represent entire syllables. Okay, and what is syllable? A syllable is a unit of a pronunciation that contains a vowel. So here we have the another term that morage. Morage is especially used in the Japanese. Japanese. Morage means extra timing. Extra timing. What does this mean, extra timing? Extra timing in the sense when a syllable or a symbol that takes the that takes the extra timing in the sound or in the pronunciation of that word, then that is known as the mora. A mora is a unit of a sound that measures timing. The definition of mora is that a mora is the unit of sound that takes timing. Okay, we can take the some examples. When in this examples we have the another word of the linguistics, that is, or we can say we have another term which is known to be the geminate. Okay, sorry, geminate. So what is geminate? We have the two important terms here. The first one is the cluster and second one is the geminate. When we come to the morage, morage is also known to be the geminate. We have another word that is cluster. So let's clear this point. Geminate, geminate means that when we have the two consonants, means two sounds and two same sounds, which takes the extra timing. Like if you take the example butter, butter. So here butter means here we have the two consonant, and these two consonant are the same. These there are, I mean, no any different sequence of the consonants. Okay, or also we can say for the definition of the geminate that a single consonant sound that is held for the long duration. Okay, we can also take the another example like midday, midday. So here we can say this is known to be the midday, not midday. Okay, this is known as the midday. So here we can say that here we have the two same consonant, while in cluster a group of the different consonant sound pronounced together with the vowel. Like if I say play, so here we have the two two sounds in the continue, but these are the two different sounds. When two or the three different sounds are present in a word, then these are known to be the cluster. But if two same sounds are present in a word, then this is known to be the geminate or morage. So, morage especially used in the Japanese character or Japanese kana. Okay. So here we have the some types of the morage, like we can see here. There are especially the three types in the moraj. The first one is CV. CV in the sense consonant plus vowels. Every standard of a Kana language which is known to be the Japanese, there is the CV model, means CV which is known to be the Moraj. We have another types of the Moraj which is known to be the V only. V means vowels. And in a vowel, the second half of a long vowel is considered as the types of the moraj, or is considered as the moraj. Second half of a long vowel means, suppose that if we have the word okama, okami, me. So here second half of long vowel means this is the first vowel and this one is the second vowel. So this second vowel is known to be the moraj. Okay. And the third one is known to be the special moraj, which is the combination of the, which is also known to be the nasal and glottal stop. Okay. So in the same way also, when we present the syllabary in the syllable, we also have the types of the syllable. We already have discussed the types of the syllable, that there are especially three types of the syllable, which is known to be the onset. Second is known to be the coda and nucleus. Okay. Onset, coda and nucleus. So here these are the types of the syllabary or syllable. Next we have the another topic of another types, which is known to be the alphabetic or segmental. Alphabetic or segmental means graphemes means letters that represent individual speech sounds phonemes. This category is further divided, means true alphabetic and false alphabetic. Alphabetic segmental means, we can take the example like when here we can say distinct symbols for both consonant and vowel. Like if we take an example, Malayalam, 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 if we take, then here we can say that we have the sequence of a consonant and vowel, consonant and vowel, consonant and vowel, consonant and vowel. So this is known to be the alphabetic or segmental writing system. Next one we have the abjad, which is the consonant alphabet, means symbols that primarily represent consonants. Vowels are often omitted or indicated with the optional marks. We have the example like Arabic and Harbi language. We have another types which is known as the abujida, or which is also known as the alpha syllabary. Alpha syllabary symbols. What is abujida? Abujida means symbols that represent a consonant with an inherent vowel. Other vowels are shown by modifying the base symbol. Example, adding the marks. Like in a Devanagari used for Hindi and Sanskrit, Thai and Jij. Okay. Next we have the featural, means what are the features? Symbols do not represent whole phonemes but rather than the specific physical features of speech, such as where the tongue is placed or if the throat is open. Okay. Primary example is known to be the Korean and Hangul. Next we will discuss about the next term of the phonology. I hope this lecture will help you much, and it will, I have made this lecture with the perspectives of the net and the get exam. So kindly watch this lecture and also all the lectures that already have been made. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.